guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today is another day, and this is where we stay. One big love. Yep.
Big love for
We're gonna do some cooking. We are gonna do some cooking. Some outdoor cooking. Outdoor cooking. Cooking. Oh, what is it, Maya? You dancing? Say hi.
Hi. Like this?
Uh-oh.
Oh, I got another one.
Thank you. Ah, you eat it for them. It is so windy. It's blowing my season away. Why am I going to hide? Excuse. We're cooking brown stew, guys. Brown stew chicken. Why am I going to hide? Didn't I use this? Chunky rounds, yeah. It's like something I can do, you know. I call it again fricassee chicken. Why the hell they call it chicken fricassee? Guys, I'm doing fricassee chicken.
What?
Yep, fricassee.
Oh, why you doing fricassee?
Ask them. Guys, please comment below why they call it fricassee chicken, because I don't know.
The name they say I do nothing. Upon landing this, oh, you fricassee chicken.
Ew, what is this? What is this?
Let me cut this.
What is this, Mommy?
Browning, I put browning on the chicken.
Brown, why? Why?
So I'm gonna brown stew it.
I don't want brown stew.
Our grandparents wouldn't want nobody see them I cook out a dough in a wood fire. And with the fan camera.
Can I finish? Sure.
Mommy's foot. No, baby kitty, don't go there.
I see love as a weakness.
Stay.
That's it, Maya. The light fire and turn up over him and give him up.
Light it. Lock the door.
Doggy, you waiting on food? You waiting on chicken? Your color pretty though.
I'll give you the bone, and Lisa, not going to catch it. Cook it. Only you guys and you. No, Lisa. You and baby kitten. And then I'm going to eat it. Everyone, Daddy's going to use the dog bone. Mom? You know.
I begin to.
Choo to a train. Bye, bye, Brenda. It is a lovely evening. It's a lovely Thursday evening. The kid wants to say hi. So, I'm alone here today, guys. Well, I'm not alone today. I'm alone right now because Junior left to go pick up the kids from school. And Jamoya was here, but she decided, she said, I'm supposed to watch the fire. And she's going with daddy, so she left me. So I'm alone, and it's I'm lonely. It feels weird not having the kids at home making noise in the house and all of that. Yeah. And if normally when they're going to school, I'll be at work with Junior, but Junior have a ear infection, so he didn't go to work this week. Yep. So let me take the time to just tell all who subscribe to our channel, thank you so very much, guys. We are grateful. We're very, very, very much grateful. We're really, really thankful for all the people who subscribe to our channel, and all who watch our videos, guys. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. We want to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So, guys, if you're watching this video, whenever time you're gonna watch this video, please just subscribe to our channel and share our videos. We do real Jamaican thing, like real Jamaican cooking. We are a Jamaican family, and we do cooking. Yes, guys, outdoor cooking, indoor cooking. Whenever time it rains, we will go indoor, and sometimes we'll be outdoor, guys, also, if it's not raining too hard. But when it's raining really hard, you have to go indoor. But guys, we are really grateful for all the support that you have been giving us. So I want to say one big love and many blessings to you guys. Stay tuned to see. Oh guys, I'm going to have to take out the chicken now because I don't want them to burn. Let's go. The smoke is real, you guys, I'm telling you. But that's what comes with outside cooking. I'm going to take out these now. Look at that. So pretty. Okay guys, and I'm going to put some coconut milk in. It's windy, guys, so it's blowing. I don't have any cock soup. You know I love to use cock soup, but I don't have any. Gonna add some more seasoning. Just some all-purpose seasoning, guys, a small amount. Woo! Butter. That looks good. Gonna put it on the fire. So Jordan and Justin just coming from school. Come and say hi, guys. Come to Justin. Come say hi.
Hi.
This is what this is how Jordan come from school, guys. Look at his clothes. Look at Jordan. Jordan, where did you went? To the farm? You went to the farm today? Are your clothes are dirty? Huh?
No, I didn't went to the farm.
So how your clothes are dirty?
Oh, some foreigners come to the school.
Some farmers came to the school and you go with. Don't take off your clothes on camera. And you went with them. Okay.
They said they wanted.
Wow, got burned. I'm gonna wash out this, guys. Put some water in it and throw it in there. Okay, guys, you see I was saying I don't have any cock soup, so Junior bring one for me. So I'm gonna use some cock soup in it. And guys, guess what? I took out peas, so I'm eating it. Here's good. What the heck? John, did you just steal mine and give me a piece already? Are you take a piece already? Hmm? Hmm?
All the children in the class, all the kids in the class must have been surprised.
Daddy.
That's cool over early. What?
Everybody was.
I'm doing some cornmeal dumplings. So I'm putting, oh, the breeze. Maya, go, mine is going to eye. Windy, windy, guys, windy. These people don't really love dumplings, guys, so I'm not going to do a lot. I'm also cooking yam. I'm going to put some salt in this. Put in more flour. Why? Guys, what happened?
Just pay attention to what you're doing.
The wind's strong.
I have the same thing again.
Come in and learn.
You want mommy?
Yeah. Put some in the pot. Open the spoil, I guess I'm gonna have no more flour.
I watch it, I show it here and say, come on, you don't think about it. If you save a little bit just in case it spoils.
You know, spoil mine. Put too much caramel in it, guys.
Roll the dumpling good.
Gosh.
Can I say roll dumpling there?
That's what me do dumpling.
And what's the dumpling for roll?
What you roll dumpling about? You make dumpling any way you want to make it. If you want to make it round
you have
or
a
square.
specific way to make dumpling.
Listen, I caramel dumpling this.
That's why you're doing
It's
me
alright,
about your kind of listen.
I'm going to take it out.
Alright, so one dumpling there.
Yeah, let me see. This is how she make dumpling, people. Look at that. So glazy.
It's not ugly.
That shit is ugly. You want me to show you dumpling there?
No, no, thank you.
I'm trying to get the fly out.
Caramel, no man. Sean? Maya, leave that.
I got the fly out. The fly was in. Didn't throw the fly out?
That's some ugly dumpling.
Dumpling chaka chaka.
Right in the head. When it going down, I can just roll some like this too.
People look at chaka chaka dumpling when I give husband.
They give you a nice dumpling. Go ahead. Those are kids' dumpling. Kids' cornmeal dumpling. A long time I don't eat caramel dumpling, guys. So I love caramel dumpling.
So I can show you that dumpling so
Holy crap! Isn't it?
just touch it by yourself.
Burn me.
Oh gosh. Let me a laugh.
You're horrible.
It was funny.
Show us roll that one here. Not sure.
Make a dumpling like people know how to make dumpling.
So I buy enough meat dumpling, John?
No, everybody can make dumpling.
How about this? Sorry.
Mama, I can see the dumpling.
Oh. Yeah, look like it's been there and back. We don't have any banana right now. We'll definitely cook some banana.
I begin to. I begin to.
The meat smells good. Damn. This is looking good. Look at that,
Make
guys.
my belly rumble.
Look at that. So good.
Look at that,
There it
everyone.
goes.
Look at that. Look at that.
Guys, now I'm going to put some ketchup in the brown stewed chicken. Wow, look at that, guys. It looks so good. It doesn't even need any ketchup, but I'm just going to put a little. See if I can open this. Woo! A little. It's a bit watery because I had some water to it because wasn't coming out of the bottle because the ketchup is basically finished. So look at that, guys. That looks good and smells good. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it cook for another 5 or so minutes, and then it's done. The food over here is going on. I'm gonna get the dish towel. Yep, would have gone good. Oh, dumplings. So that's it, guys.